Today's topic is nature of CX bond. And carbon and halogen. So there is a difference in electronegativity because carbon is less electronegative, halogen is more electronegative. And halogen, that's why acquire partial negative charge because shared pair is close to halogen, and carbon acquire partial positive charge. And because of this charge separation, CX bond is a polar covalent bond. It is a polar covalent bond. Now, next part, as we go down the group from fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, as we go down the group, size increases. So, as size increases, CX bond length increases and CX bond strength decreases. That means if we write the order of bond length, order of CX bond length, then order is CI bond is larger than CBr bond, then CL bond, and then CF bond. And if we write the order of bond strength, then CF bond is strongest. Strength of CF bond is strongest, fluorine being small in size. Then it is CCl, then CBr, and at the end CI. Now, very important point is dipole moment. This is important for competitive exams as well. Dipole moment of methyl halides. Let's say we have methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, and methyl iodide. Yes, beta. So tell me, what is the order of dipole moment? According to electronegativity concept, fluorine, as it is most electronegative, so it acquire maximum negative charge, and obviously carbon attached to fluorine acquire maximum positive charge. So if we see the charge, we can say magnitude of charge. So magnitude of charge is in the order CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, and CH3I because of the difference in electronegativity. But dipole moment is equal to charge, magnitude of charge, into distance of separation. So if we compare distance, then distance is maximum in iodide. But here when we compare CH3F and CH3Cl, fluorine being very small in size, its D value, distance of separation, charge separation, that is very less because of very small size of fluorine, and that's why chlorine get the upper edge and dipole moment of CH3Cl is greater than CH3F. That is the reason why this is important for competitive exams, because order is not simple. According to difference in electronegativity, it should be CH3F first and CH3I last. So CH3I is last, that's okay. CH3Br order is okay, but here there is a difference. And why there is a difference? It is simply because of small size of fluorine. That's why CF bond distance is so small कि जो product of charge and distance of separation है, that is dipole moment of CH3F, turns out to be slightly lower than that of CH3Cl. बिल्कुल कम, बिल्कुल स्मॉल सा डिफरेंस होता है. देखो मिथाइल क्लोराइड का जो है वो होता है 1.86 और फ्लोराइड का होता है 1.847. मीन बिल्कुल स्लाइट डिफरेंस है, बट दैट इज काउंटेड. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए भी, इसलिए इसको अपने दिमाग में फिट कर लो कि दो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कंसेप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग CH3F should have higher dipole moment, but because of very small size, exceptionally small size of fluorine, CH3Cl का dipole moment slightly greater than CH3F हो जाता है.